Hey everyone, it's Miss Roberts here again to talk to you about nonfiction books. Something we all know about nonfiction books is they teach us things. There are lots of facts in the books. There are text features to learn from, and sometimes there's so much information that readers can forget what they're learning or just not really understand the information at all. So today I want to teach you that readers can stop and think about the facts as a way to remember the facts and to make sure and kind of check in that they're understanding the information. And all you do to practice your stopping and thinking is just stop and think every few pages and think about the information you are learning. So I'm going to show you how to do that with the book we've been working with, What If You Had Animal Feet? And I'm actually going to jump to an animal that I really wanted to learn more about, the duck-billed platypus. So I'm going to read this to you. So this teaches us that a duck-billed platypus has skin connecting its spread apart toes. This type of foot is called a webbed foot. The platypus's front feet even have skin that sticks out beyond its toes, making them the perfect swimming flippers. But the minute it starts to walk, dig, or scratch, this skin pulls back so the platypus can use its sturdy, sharp nails. Here's the picture here. I can see the webbed feet in the back there. Okay, so I'm going to do my stopping and thinking here. So what I'm learning is that platypuses have webbed feet. This helps them swim, but they also have toes that help them walk, dig, and scratch. Okay, this is the next one I wanted to teach you guys about is the aardvark. So this says, each of the toes on an aardvark's feet ends in a sharp, sturdy toenail. The front ones are shovel-shaped. These are great for digging a burrow for their home or finding ants and termites. Its favorite food. So I'm going to do my stopping and thinking after reading this part. So I'm learning that the aardvark's feet, they have toenails, and those toenails are shovel-shaped. And the reason they're shovel-shaped is because they dig burrows for their homes, and they also dig to find ants and termites, which is their favorite food. So I'm going to do one more stop and think with you using this section, the giant African millipede. A giant African millipede's body is made up of segments. A baby starts out with just 4 or 5 segments, but as it grows, it adds on more. Each segment has about 4 feet. An adult may be 40 segments long with lots of feet, and it needs every single one. It can travel by tunneling through the ground, so while some feet are busy walking, others move dirt out of its way. So you can see down here all of those feet. I think it's kind of blurry, but it's kind of what the orange-red color is down there. So I want to do my stop and think after this page too. And so I'm learning that millipedes, their body parts are called segments. So like we have arms, legs, a torso. Their body parts are just segments. Each segment has 4 feet on it, so like 4 feet in each segment. And an adult can have up to 40 segments, which is a lot of feet. But millipedes need all of those feet because they tunnel underground. So some of those feet are walking or moving through the ground, and some of those feet are moving the dirt out of the way. So they need all of those feet. Okay, so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys about today is just stopping and thinking every so often in your nonfiction books to make sure you are remembering the facts, that you're understanding all the information you're learning. I like to stop every page to do my stopping and thinking, but you can stop every few pages also. So don't forget to practice this skill at home. Stop and think about the facts as you're reading.